Hi, thanks so much for joining me. I just wanted to put a quick tutorial together on how to create a little banner using our Bitmojis to kind of personalize our virtual classrooms. So the first thing you're going to do is go into Google Slides and you're going to create a new presentation with a blank slide. After that, you're going to go into File and you're going to go down to Page Setup. Here is when you're going to want to change your dimensions. So the dimensions you're going to want to have is 16.67 by 4.17 inches. So you're going to want to change your dimension to that and you're going to hit apply. It's going to then stretch your banner out. I'm going to take these off because I don't want those. Okay. Your next step is then going to be to change your background. So I opened up a new tab and you're going to type in floor and wall background and you can start your search there and see what you kind of find, see what you're enjoying and what you don't enjoy. You're going to save it to your computer. Then you're going to go into, for background, you're going to go to background. Choose image and then you can click and drag your image. I don't remember what I named mine. So let's see. Oh, there we go, background. So then you can hit open, it'll download in there and done. Okay. Then your next step is going to be to decorate. So your first one that you want to do is you could do your Bitmoji. So you can copy and paste your Bitmoji in there. I did the waving one. So it would be the same process as in with Canvas. Then you can go into Google and then you can search specific things that you want. Maybe you want a whiteboard. So I would type whiteboard clip art is usually what I like to search. And then you can kind of pick and choose which one you like. Now, if you find that what you're doing, so let's see, let me show you the banner. So I did banner clip art and then I did pennants. Now, some of these will come with transparent backgrounds, but others will not. Now, what I mean by that is if you click on this one, it's got these boxes here, but it shows up white. This one means it's going to be transparent, which means when you save it and you bring it to your Google slide, it will not have a background, which is what you want. Now, if you click on this one, see how it's checkered right now, you click on it again, this one is going to give you a checkered background when you upload it to Google Slides. So you need to open a new tab and you are going to type in remove.bg. So remove.bg. I can show you exactly what that looks like. I'll do that here. Okay, so then you're going to upload the image, and when you do that, it's going to remove that background. So you will not have anything in it. So you won't have any of that white space. See how these ones, so like here, you can actually see my books are transparent. When I move them, you can see that it actually has some of the background in them. So that's what I mean by that transparency. Okay, when you are ready, when your classroom is set up, you can do the snip tool, or if you're on a Mac, it's Command-Shift-4. But if you are on anything else, you're going to use your snipping tool, and then you're going to take a screenshot of this and upload it to your Canvas, just like a regular photo. I hope that this helps. If you've got any other questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.